Welcome to Broomfield Tai Chi Chuan. In today's video, let's talk about the 5 bows. Subscribe to my channel for more Tai Chi videos. What are the 5 bows? The 5 bows refers to 5 bends in the torso to have good Tai Chi posture. So they refer to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, your center. Those are the 5 bows. And it's important that we have bends in those 5 points to maintain good Tai Chi posture. So you have your 2 elbows, your 2 knees, and your center should be slightly tucked in and brought back a little to maintain a slight bend in your center. Those are the 5 bows. So when we do a basic Tai Chi posture or a meditative stance, my knees are slightly bent, my elbows are slightly bent, and my center is slightly tucked in. It's almost like if you look at my palm, and my palm is straight, and if this is the center of my body, and I bend my hand, that is what I'm doing with my center. Now I'm exaggerating. That is what I'm doing with my center. So if I didn't do that in my center, I would be way too straight and I'd be leaning back. So I need to sink and push in my center just slightly to have that 5th bow. So if I do a Tai Chi move, brush and press, I have a bend in my elbow, my knee, and my center is just slightly tucked in. So I have this slight bend in my center, and those are the 5 bows. So for Tai Chi posture, when you have all these slight bends, then you can have good posture, and all your vertebrae are then stacked upon each one, and your head is on that last vertebrae, held up as if by a string. Also, I have to maintain a fullness. So in Tai Chi posture, I don't want to be tense, and I don't want to be limp. I have to be in between tense and limp. So in between tense and limp is full. So if I maintain the 5 bows, and I have a full energy, a full posture, then I have good Tai Chi posture. That was the 5 bows and working on our Tai Chi posture. Thanks for watching. Watch more of my videos to learn more Tai Chi moves and subscribe to my channel. Stay healthy, stay strong.